Hello, friends. Hope everything is fine with you guys. Welcome to this awesome section of Mastering Pen Tool. Yes, friend. After completing this section, you can draw anything. Yes, friend, anything in Illustrator or even in Photoshop using the pen tool. That's really very easy. Yes, friend. So let's take a look at some of the basic concepts. In this lecture, we will understand anchor points and anchor handles. Now, for understanding anchor points, simply let's take a look at a rectangle. So, first of all, let's select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Let's provide a fill color, and now let's zoom in and let's take a closer look. And for now, let's go to view and hide the bounding box. Okay. Now if you take a closer look at this rectangle, you will notice that this rectangle consists of 4 lines. That's simple, right? But take a look at these endpoints. You will see some dot, right? See? And if you hover over these endpoints, you will see that it's written anchor. Yes, friend. These are anchor points. Each anchor point here in this rectangle is joining 2 lines, or you can say it's connecting 2 lines. Yes, friend. So this is what anchor point is. I think by now we have done many projects, right? And if you take a look at all of those projects, or not even projects, create anything in Illustrator and just select that using the direct selection tool, or even with this selection tool, you will notice that these are made up of anchor points. Let's take a look at the cartoon that we have made. Select any path. See, these are made up of anchor points. See, take a look at this path. So anything which you draw in Illustrator is made up of anchor points. Okay, so this is what anchor point is. Now let's understand what is anchor handle. Here, since all of these are straight lines, you will not see the anchor handle. For understanding anchor handle, let's create an ellipse. So first of all, let's delete this rectangle, and instead let's select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse just like this. Here also you will see 4 anchor points. See, let's select. Now for understanding the anchor points or anchor handles, you need to work with this direct selection tool. Now using direct selection tool, draw a marquee over this, or you can say drag a selection on this ellipse. See, you can see 4 anchor points by which this circle is made. Now let's click on an anchor point using direct selection tool. See, there is an anchor handle. Now you can even play with this handle. Now what is this handle? See what is happening. If you are dragging this handle towards right, it's affecting the curve, right? Seems like it's having some magnetic effect, right? Now shrink it and see, it is also, the curve is also shrinking, right? Let's take a look at this handle. So if you drag it up, what will happen? Take a look at the curve. See? Let's take a look at, let's click on this anchor point and see. So you can see anchor handles only on curves. These control handles handle the curvature of a path. Now, this is what anchor point and anchor handle is. Again, let's try and understand. So, using the direct selection tool, let's select this anchor point and let's try to play with this anchor handle. See what is happening. These anchor handles controls the curvature path. Now if you want, you can also control the curve on one side. I mean to say for example, when we are dragging it like this, the curve is changing here also because this handle is also changing. Just take a closer look. See, just like this, you can see a preview that what will happen or what is going to happen. See, just like this. Now say for example, you want to drag only this handle and not this one. Then what you will do? Hold the Alt key or the Option key. Option key in Mac and Alt key for PC. Now see, you can drag only one handle and it's not affecting the other handle. I think you are getting my point, right? So just understand the basic concepts. What are anchor points? An anchor point connects paths. Yes, friend. And since it connect path, a path contains many anchor points. You are getting my point, right? Say for example, this ellipse. This is a path, right? This path contains 4 anchor points and each anchor point is connecting 2 curves. See? So each anchor point is connecting some path and path itself contains multiple anchor points, and an anchor handle may be or may not be there on a path depending on a condition, that is whether that path contains any curve or not. Say for example, as we have seen that in case of rectangles we didn't see any anchor handle, right? Because these are straight lines and we don't have any curve here. But let's click on this path and see we are having anchor handles. And what is this anchor handle? This anchor handle controls the curvature of a path and it works like a magnet. So when you drag it outside, the curve is going outside, and if you drag it inside, the curve is going inside, just like this. Okay, so this is the main concept of anchor handle and anchor point. In this course, we are going to cover many lectures where we will work on this anchor point and anchor handles, and there also we will cover more techniques on handling these anchor points and anchor handles. Now in our next lecture we will take a look how we can draw straight lines using pen tool. and then we will see how we can draw curved lines using pen tool. And then I will share with you some important tips and tricks by which you can draw anything. Yes, friend, anything using pen tool. So that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we will take a look how we can draw simple straight lines using pen tool. So that's it, guys. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.